kind of a messy day today, but this is my porch before we get started here. But we're going to go ahead and start decorating for fall. As you can see, I've already started picking up some pumpkins. Walmart has some beautiful pumpkins already out, so I snagged a few of those to go down like my walkway. And then I picked up a couple of MUMS. But right now we're very bare. But I'm fixing to go up underneath my carport and start unpacking some items that I had from last year and bring them on out so we can get started.